Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you. Today I went to Home Bargains again. It's a thing, it's a problem for me. I went to B&M as well. So this is just going to be another classic Coco autumn Home Bargains and B&M haul. So if you like this kind of video, then please keep watching. First place I went to was Home Bargains and I got some really great bits that's like cleaning, homeware, just things like that, and I think, oh, and some skincare actually as well. So I think you'll really like what I got. Okay, so I've separated everything out into three different categories. We've got beauty and skincare, we've got cleaning, and we've got homeware goods. So I'm gonna get started with the beauty and skincare thing. So I picked up 3 face masks and these were all 69p each. They're just kind of fun ones. This one's a fox. This one's a llama and this one is a leopard. I really like these, and for 69p, like, it's pretty good. Usually sheet masks are about £2.99, like for the Garnier ones, and I'm just not about that. Like, why spend about £3 for something that's going to be on your face for 15 minutes and you can't use it again? So I've used these before and I actually do really like them, and they make my skin really nice and moisturised. So this is 3 little face masks that I got. Some boring bits, I got some Wilkinson Sword razors. These are 5 in a pack and it's for £1. I really need to get a more eco-friendly razor because these are just not good for the environment, and I really like to switch that up. I then got the Original Source Sweet Apple and Vanilla Milk body wash. This stuff is so good. I actually got one in a glossy box a while ago and I just love the smell. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's got all that good stuff. I'm actually allergic to Sanex, the one thing that's supposed to be for people that are allergic to every type of other shower gel. I'm allergic to it, so this one I know that I don't get a reaction to, and it just smells incredible. I then got another fake tan mitt. I go through these like crazy. I literally, because of my long nails, I will go like through the sides and my nails will start poking out and then there's a hole in it and then it just doesn't work anymore. So for 99p I got a self tan mitt. I should really invest in like a proper really good quality one that's sturdy, that I will not have to keep on repurchasing new ones. A couple of cleaning bits I picked up. The first one is this Mega Volume 1 litre Astonish floor cleaner. This is in the scent Orchid Blossom. Honestly, this stuff smells amazing. It's more of like a summer scent, but I don't actually mind. I have Christmas scents all over my house anyway, so it's quite nice to have something a bit fresh and like floral. This was 89p and it's a litre, like it's so much, so this is going to last me for ages. I'm actually going to mop my floor today, so I'm going to check it out and see if it's good. The next thing I got were some Dishmatics. Not going to say much about them. I've talked about them before in other videos, so you know that these are amazing and that you should probably go and buy one if you don't have one already. So these are just the refills. I then got some Bathmatics, which I actually haven't tried before, so I'm really excited about it. It's got a really nice soft edge and then a nice like scrubby edge on the other side, so it'll be good to get like dust and grime and everything like that off the bath and the shower and everything. So this was £1.49 and you get 2 in here. Moving on to candles, you know it's not a haul from me if there's no candles. Honestly, I'm obsessed with candles. I say it in every single haul, so I just can't stop buying them. So I got this little tea light holder. This is like a little Halloween cat with a wee orange hat on. It's absolutely gorgeous. You just pop a tea light in the back and it'll light up. I'm going to put it next to my pumpkin one that I showed you in my last Home Bargains haul. I picked up a pumpkin and it's just gorgeous, so I'm going to put this next to it, and it's as you come in through my front door, it'll be just very cute and just ready for Halloween. This was 99p as well, by the way, which is amazing. Next, I picked up some Wickford & Co candles. These are 99p and they make the room smell amazing. Honestly, the scent just fills up the whole room. I got one in the scent Halloween, just to be nice and seasonal. And then I got warm apple and cinnamon as well, because this is literally probably my favourite scent in the entire world. It's so good. I just love the smell of Christmas. And it's literally Christmas in a candle. To go with that candle, I got some warm apple and cinnamon tea lights. I like to get these because I like to try and match my tea light to the wax melt burner scent. So if I pair the wax melt with the tea light, then it's going to smell all the same and it won't have like a mix of smells. These were 99p and you get 18 in the pack. I was about to buy the Glade wax melts, but they're a little bit more expensive, and then I suddenly saw these, which I think is only like Home Bargains brand. This is by a brand called True Living, and this is apple and cinnamon, so they'll go with those tea lights. And this one is vanilla sugar. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. And honestly, for 39p each, you cannot go wrong. I know I say that all the time, you can't go wrong, but genuinely you can't go wrong. And there's 6 in each pack, and yeah, I'm excited to try these out and see if they are as good as the Glade ones. That was everything from Home Bargains. Now moving on to B&M. I got lots of things in here, so I'll just get ready and right into it and show you. The first thing I got was a set of 3 serving bowls. This comes on a nice bamboo platter as well. This was £5 and I just thought it'd be lovely for when I have a friend over, or if me and my boyfriend are having like a movie night, we can just pop some little treats in here and then have it on our dining table, or I mean our coffee table, and just have a wee nibble, and it's just really lovely, and I think it goes really nicely with my living room as well. And yeah, this was £5. There was a cheaper one, but it didn't come with a board underneath, and I really like just having a board so I could just carry it over easily. I then picked up this lovely blush pink lantern. Well, I class it as a lantern. I think it's a lantern. This was £5 and the candle doesn't come with it. This is just one of those electric candles that you can like switch on and switch off with a little remote. I got it on eBay. Amazing, by the way. It's a set of 3. So good. So this has got a beautiful silver kind of handle on it, and it's really big. So I think it would be lovely like as a nice statement piece on like a bedside table. As you can see, I've got the candle in here. It's kind of moving around a little bit, but it does look really lovely when it gets dark, and it's just glowing from the inside, and it's this nice lovely pink color. I then picked up these Halloween sprinkles. These were £1. You get 4 different types of sprinkles. You get ghosts, you get pumpkins, and then you get black sprinkles and orange sprinkles. These are going to be great for making Halloween cupcakes, and for £1 I thought that was brilliant, and I'm excited to see if they taste really nice, and I can't wait to decorate my cupcakes with them. Next I got some Unstoppables. I get these every time I go into Home Bargains. They're £1.99 there, which is amazing, and then the big ones you can get were down to £3.99 or £2.99. Usually the big ones in Asda and Tesco, they're about like £8-9, so it's the best place to get these if I'm honest with you. If you haven't tried these are a game changer when it comes to laundry. They make your clothes smell so good. This is my favorite scent. This is in the scent Fresh, and I love just using them all around the house like I've said before. Honestly, such a good product, and it's worth the money when it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones. You can get like Tesco's own brand, but I really think that the Lenore ones are the best. In the spirit of Christmas and all things Christmassy, I got the Flash all-purpose spray. This is a limited edition one in apple spice. I actually saw someone on Instagram have this, and I just knew I absolutely needed it because I love me some apple spice. So this is actually a really big bottle as well. This was £1.49, but I actually think it's kind of worth it because the bottle's massive. So I'm going to give my kitchen a wee clean today, and I'm going to see if the smell is as good as it sounds. The last item is another little Christmassy one. This is the Comfort Creations Frosted Pine and Apple Fabric Conditioner. This is another limited edition one that I actually also saw on Instagram and knew I had to pick up. This is a really nice big bottle, and it smells so good. It smells like Christmas trees, and it's just got a lovely, lovely scent to it. So I'm actually also going to put a wash on today and try this out. This was £1.99 as well, which is such a bargain. This does 33 washes as well for £1.99. Absolutely amazing. I would definitely recommend picking this up, especially if you like Christmas scents. Thank you so much for watching. That was everything in my haul, and I cannot wait to see you next week for another video. I'm going to try start doing 2 videos a week instead of just 1 because I'm just loving filming so much. I'm getting such lovely comments, and it's just so lovely, and it means so much to me that people are actually watching my videos. I just can't believe it. I'm sitting in my bedroom and there's people all over the UK and other parts of the world, I think, watching my videos, which is just crazy to me. So if you like my videos, then please subscribe, and it's free, and you know, you might see something that you like and want to go to Home Bargains or one of the other shops that I shop at and get it yourself. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!